Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions from thermal engineering. The topic is IC engine, gas turbine, and air compressor. Question number 66 to 68 carries a common statement. The statement is a gas turbine plant is having turbine and compressor efficiency as 85% and 80% respectively. Maximum cycle temperature is 875 degrees Celsius. Working fluid can be taken as air. Cp is equal to 1 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin and gamma is equal to 1.4, which enters the compressor at 1 bar and 27 degrees Celsius. The pressure ratio is 4. The fuel used has calorific value of 42,000 kilojoule per kilogram. There is a loss of 10% of calorific value in the combustion chamber. The question number 66 is the air fuel ratio is option A 46, option B 56, option C 64, and option D 72. 67 is thermal efficiency of the plant in is Cp combustion is there 1.1 kilojoules per kilogram per day. Options are 12.99%, B 14.15%, option C 21.2%, 26%, D 11.44%. The work ratio of the plant is option A 0.166, option B 0.215, option C 0.235, and option D 0.14. Okay, so here the given data are efficiency of turbine is 85% and efficiency of compressor is 80%. Maximum temperature is that is the maximum temperature, that is gas turbine cycle or Brayton cycle. 1 2 is compression, 2 3 is heat addition, 3 4 is expansion, and 4 1 is heat rejection. Okay, that is ideal process and active procedure by shown by dotted line. Okay, now T3 is given as 1148 and T1 is given as 300 Kelvin. Cp of air is 1 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. Gamma is 1.4, P1 is 1 bar, and pressure is 4, so that is P2 is 4 bar, and C is your 42,000 kilojoule, that is per kilogram, not Kelvin. Okay, this should be there. And efficiency of combustion is 90%. So isentropic process 1 2. Okay, as pressure is 4, so T2 by T1 will be your 1.486, and T2 will be 300 into 1.486 into is equal to 445.8 Kelvin. As efficiency of compressor is given by this T2 by T1, sorry, T2 by T1 divided by T2 dash by T1. Okay, so from and this efficiency is given as 0.8 or 80%. So T2 dash can be found out. So T2 dash is 482.2 Kelvin. Okay, so T2 dash is 482.2 Kelvin. Okay, and now the from the heat balance, so heat balance is heat supplied by the fuel is equal to heat taken by the burning agent. Okay, so now the from the heat balance we get that is heat supplied by the fuel, that is MFCV into 0.9. Okay, and 0.7 by okay, and that is the finally we have the temperature at finally we have the temperature of gases plus fuel, sorry, air plus fuel as T3. So we will take both air plus fuel CPD, and here the initially we have only the air only. Okay, so initially we have this MACP T2 dash. Okay, T2 dash is the initial temperature for the combustion, this is the final temperature for the combustion. Now putting the value of CPD and putting the value of CP T2 dash T3, we get MA by MF, that is 46.25 Kelvin. 46 MA by MF is 46.25. Okay, now heat supplied per kg of air is, this is the 0.9 into 42,000 is heat supplied by this 46.25 kilogram of air. So heat supplied per kilogram of air is 0.9 into 42,000 by 46.2, because this is the heat supplied by 1 kg of fuel, and 1 kg of fuel contains that 46.25 kg of air. So heat supplied per kg of air is 817 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so work done by turbine is Ma plus Mf divided by Me, that is fuel, that is per kg of air contains 1 plus 1 by 46.25 of gases. Okay, and uh, now this is the mass per kg, and this is CPG, uh, Cp of gases 1.11, and that is point efficiency of the turbine is 0.85, and initial T3 is 1113 it will expanded isentropically. Okay, here, sorry, here will be expanded isentropically, then we get the temperature T4, and pressure ratio is same. So the temperature ratio here, sorry, temperature ratio here, and temperature T2 by T1 and T3 by T4 would be same. So that's why we have taken uh, we have taken this, we have divided it by the ratio of T2 by T1. So we get the value of T4. Okay, and now if we multiply it by turbine efficiency, then it will we get T4 dash. Okay, so that is the work done by turbine. So that comes to 361.25, and work done by compressor is CP T2 dash by T1. We have all the values, so it will be 183.11. Okay, so now there is a work done by turbine per kg of air, and that is a work done by turbine per kg of by compressor per kg of air. Okay, so net work done is difference of 361.25 minus 183.11. So that is net work done will be 178.2 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, and efficiency is net work done by heat supply. So net work done is 78.2, and heat supply is 817, that is 0.213 and 21.23%, and work ratio is dominated by gross work, so that is 178.2 divided by net work done is 178.2, and the gross work is this, that is 0.4, 0.54.